Welcome back to today's report. Charles Appraisals on Monday, the 6th of June, with me, Richard Pro-Market Analyst at Antec Markets. Looking on at euro dollar now, and that is such a huge candle for euro dollar. Huge volatility, around sort of 240 ticks of gains from low to high on the day, and he's not really seen any significant retracement of that. It's just sort of 10-12 ticks down on the day now. And what you do tend to find is after strong moves, you'll often see minor retracements within that big strong move. But it'll be interesting that the fact that the market is just unwound slightly and not really sort of gone for any real correction. So it seems to be that the dollar, I think, is going to remain under pressure, and any sort of minor dead cat bounce, I suppose, you get for the dollar, I think is likely to be sold into, and subsequently that would pull euro dollar higher. Technically, the outlook is obviously now far more positive for the euro. You've got the stochastics, which are rising strongly. The MACD lines crossed over the RSI above 50. So pretty much all in all, you're looking positive. You're above all the moving averages. So it's sort of all pointing towards little corrections being bought into anyway, and at the moment we've just had a minor one today, nothing too significant. 33.30 area, sorry, 13.33 area seems to be initial line of support, but as I said, minor corrections are being seen as a chance to buy. Now you've got your more important sort of pivot support around sort of 12.90 area. And I think sort of around that 13 figure area seems to be sort of probably around about where we're going to start to see the next buying opportunity. So 12.80 towards 13 figures seems to be pretty decent here on this on a retracement. So as these momentum indicators just unwind this sort of stretched overbought position on the RSI and MACD lines and stochastics, I think there could well be a chance to buy and around that sort of 12.80 towards 13 figure area, probably not the worst place to start thinking about it. So it looks as though the outlook has changed somewhat, and you're now sort of looking towards the highs again, or certainly a retest of this 1445 resistance, but 1465 is the old big long-term range highs, and it's perfectly possible now that on a support with a buy signal, you could easily now see a retest of the highs, or certainly the old range highs of 1465. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later, I think.